So let's understand the mnemonic for the functions of lobes of brain. So the first one is the frontal lobe. In the frontal lobe, I want you to remember a person who has headache and he is pressing his forehead. So the mnemonic over here is press, Press. So he has a problem, so problem solving. You need to reason out, so reasoning. Emotions, you need to speak out, so speech. And then finally, social behavior. So now let's come to the parietal lobe. In the parietal lobe, I want you to remember parents. So you want to ask your parents permission. Why? To go to prom. So P as in perception. Now you recognized few of your friends over there. So recognition. Since you recognized your friends, it means you were oriented, which means orientation. And then finally, why do you want to go to prom? To dance. So movements. Now, for the temporal lobe, we have the mnemonic MASS, M-A-S-S. M stands for memory. Now for MASS, you have to remember that the priest is preaching a sermon. So the priest is going to speak, which means S for speech. After speech, you are going to hear the sermon, which is auditory, and then you are going to smell the scented candles, which is S for smell. And then finally, we have the occipital lobe. So for the occipital lobe, since it is present posteriorly, I want you to remember that just opposite to the occipital lobe, which is anteriorly, we have the eyes. So the occipital lobe is responsible for vision and also for recognition of shape and color.